Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about another work from home job, and this is a seasonal chat support customer service agent, a remote job and no phone required. This one is paying $15 an hour and is a work from home full-time, no degree. They have health insurance and paid time off. So for this one, they require that you have a high school diploma, ability to use dual monitor PC with several tools and systems for extended period of time, comfortable supporting customers and interacting with peers in a technology-driven environment, experience supporting customers through chat, email, and phone communications. We value open, honest, and constructive conversation. So for this job, they require you to work full-time, such as mornings, nights, weekends, and holidays. This job focuses on driving customer interacting through inbound, outbound chat, email communications, drive customer support through digital communication, chats, and email using various channels and tools. Respond to customers' inquiries within a focus on providing a solution to the specific issue. Help customers understand the service offered. Troubleshoot access to online services. Meet or exceed performance expectations. Work together to make an impact. They have paid training and the opportunity to take the multi-state insurance license. They pay $15 an hour. They have employee assistance program. They pay 100% for the training. They have wellness program, education benefits, grow as you go, gain stability, expand possibilities. We offer benefits to keep you healthy and happy, such as paid time off and referral bonuses. They also have employee discounts. And for this job, it says that it could be in any location in the United States. So for this company, they deliver solutions to global insurance clients that offer their customers products including life, property, casualty, long-term care, retirement planning, investment, roadside assistance, and one of the largest global providers of customer service products. They invest by covering the cost of your insurance license so that you can provide support to customers of some of the world's most well-known insurance brands. So this is a great opportunity for you to learn, lead, and grow. All our calls are inbound calls only, no cold calling. They require you to have a high school diploma, dual monitor PC, ability to work full-time, experience with supporting customers through chat, email, and phone communication, history with payment processing system and financial services. So if this is a job that you're interested in working at, you can keep reading the description and you can just apply. So thanks for watching again my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye now.